I made a somewhat unnecessary Poshmark haul of sewing notions. Would you like to see? Of course, sewing notions. I want the sewing notions. More specifically, I wanted to get some belt buckles. Ooh, this is the belt buckles. That was the one I was excited for. So I want to try to open this one first, maybe. Okay, this one has a note. Hello, thank you, enjoy. I appreciate poshing by. And hope you'll return someday soon. Cheers. I don't know how to feel when I order something off of Poshmark and they gave you food. Would you trust the lollipop? Comment down below if you would trust the lollipop. More thank you stickers. Now this is a ton of zippers. Metal zippers. I don't think that these are vintage, but these are a lot of metal. Well, some of them could be. This guy's a vintage zipper, I'm pretty sure. It says light pink, but it's very, very white. Here is, because he's actually in the packaging, he's a CNC metal shirt neck zipper. I'm just gonna guess this is little bits of interfacing. It doesn't seem to be iron-on, just regular interfacing. And then just a ton of metal zippers. How many zippers are there? How many are there? 35 zippers. I find buttons just delightful. Here's a bag of white and clear buttons. So, oh, some of these are pretty fancy. I might go in these at a later date to see if there are some that match around, because yeah, there are like an occasional pair or triple in here, but it's that's gonna be a much more in-depth look. More buttons. Once again, I can see that we have two that match. Tons and tons and tons. Not sure how many pairs. Not sure what all is going on here, but another bag of buttons. Oh, we have some loose closures in here. That's a little bit unfortunate. Button maker, a fabric button maker. Got a very old label to it, so that's kind of cool. Lots and lots of snap closures. These are so cute though. Yeah, we've got a good mix of modern and vintage in here. Fair amount of hook and eyes. Ooh, this is a fancy hook and eye. I couldn't really see from the pictures what this was. It looked like it could have been a belt buckle. I see them more on bathing suits. Another delightful container of buttons. These are a silver metal buttons. Okay, this is a pretty decent belt buckle right there. White and has kind of like these little grooves on it. Other than that, this is just kind of like a lovely assortment of random shit. So we're just gonna scoot that there and try to figure out how to organize that later. So, the belt buckles. Ooh, it's got like a little belt tape in here too. It's a whole belt and buckle kit. Will come in handy if I'm starting to make my own belts. These are a lot bigger than I thought that they would be, guys. Like, they're beautiful. Oh, I love the teal color. This guy, ooh, this is an off-white, so I think that I have a good set of buttons that I could use with him and have a nice little full coordinating outfit. This guy, it's not like a notchy belt buckle. It has kind of like a hook in there, but it's a beautiful coral color, and I might have a couple fabrics that go well with coral. We'll have to save that for a future video. Large circle of brown. I'm not sure if the weird coloring on this guy is the plastic that covers it or some potential damage. Once again, these are a lot bigger than I thought that they would be. I mean, for somebody who likes to be small and dainty and hide, these are a little statement-y. I don't know how I feel about that. Big yellow boy. An overall buckle. This triangle shape, I'm not really sure. Suspender slide? Oh, suspender slide. Okay. So that might be going with these suspenders somehow. I don't know. I don't know what this is. Please comment down below if you know what this, it looks kind of, maybe it's supposed to be a charm. Comment down below if you know what these are actually supposed to be. A couple of a new shape. Okay, so it looks like this has some alligator claw type thing with this triangle for a belt buckle, and I'm not sure how that's actually supposed to work. I'm going to have to look into that. Once again, beautiful vintage packaging. I'm into it, guys. I'm in. These, you can see the detail on this better than the black ones. It is basically the same style, but red. Red. Speaking of red, we have this like double square kind of intersecting red, kind of like got a patchy pattern to it. Just gotta match the belt to the dress, right? This guy. What's like a little slider belt buckle? Almost tortoise shell. Ooh, this one has coins. I have 2 of these coins ones. Not really sure what to do with the coins ones. This is one that you would slide through and kind of claw into it. Usually it's like a tape. It's called something tape. That the belt would be made out of, so I don't think that I want like a good fabric to have a belt with this buckle made out of, so there's that. This might be a copper belt that has some questionable little green trailing off to the side on there, so maybe it might have a little bit of oxidization on it. We'll figure it out when we use it. I'm not a huge fan of these belt buckles. They came with the haul though, so I did not get the haul for these guys. I got the haul for pretty much everything else, and these were kind of like a consolation prize. These guys are actually one of the things that brought me to this haul. These are very simple oval shape with the traditional like little latchy bit right here. I am about to finish off one of my dresses by making a belt with this small simple guy, and I'm actually really excited to be using those for one of my dresses. This is not a dress that I filmed the process for making though, but if you would like to see my late 40s, 50s house dress pattern with a belt buckle in a better fabric, a fashion-y fabric, you know what? Look at all these zippers, the buttons, belt buckles. Pick out stuff that you want to see me make something with, and see, I will see if I have a good fabric that I can maybe make something that incorporates your favorite zipper, button, belt buckle, closure, everything like that combo. So leave that along with any questions, comments, or concerns down below. New videos should be out on Fridays. Not great about that though, so if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and that bell icon so you know I actually do post. Thank you so much for watching. Stay happy, stay healthy, and we'll see you next time when I am significantly more caffeinated. Bye! In a bright ruby woo wet red, wooby woo wed. No. Okay. Oh, okay. 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 Belt buckles.